Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Try to understand Krishna consciousness. Simply by practicing this, somewhere or other, you become attached to Krishna. Somewhere. Jena tena prakare. Anyway. Just like if you love somebody, anyway you try to get it. It is not very difficult. We know the tactics. Even an animal heroes, how to get his things tactfully. The struggle for existence means that everyone is trying to get his objective, so many tactfully. So you also try, instead of after this material will o' the wisp, you somewhere tactfully try to capture Krishna. That will make your life successful. Somewhere. Mayas ena tena prakarena manak Krishna nivesha. Sarve vidhi nishedasu retaya reva kinkara. Now there are so many in Krishna consciousness this process, there are so many. I am just introducing one after another, little by little, but those who are practicing this Krishna consciousness in India, there are so many rules and regulations. Somebody says the Swamiji is very conservative, he has got so many rules and regulations, but I am not even introduced 1%. 1%. Because it is not possible to introduce all those rules and regulations in your country. My policy is following the footsteps of Rupa Goswami. He says just somehow or other let them become first of all attached to Krishna. That is my policy. And rules and regulations, they will do it later on. First of all, let him be attached to Krishna. So this is the yoga. Krishna is explaining, Maya Saktamana Pratha. Try to be attached to Krishna. And why shall not be attached to Krishna? So many nice things in Krishna consciousness. We have got arts, we have got painting, we have got dancing, we have got music, we have got first-class food, we have got first-class dress, first-class health, everything first-class. It is only the foolish rascal that he will not be attached to this first-class. And it is easy at the same time. What is the reason that one should not be attached to this process? The reason is that he is a first-class rascal. That's all. I tell you frankly, let anyone come argue with me, whether he is not a first-class rascal by not accepting Krishna consciousness. I will prove it. So, don't be first-class rascal. Become first-class intelligent. As Chaitanya Charitamrita author says, Krishna je bhaje sivarachatu. Anyone who has taken to Krishna consciousness, he is first-class intelligent man. So don't be first-class fool, but become first-class intelligent man. That is my request. Thank you very much. Any question? The other day so many students came, now nobody, because they want to remain the first-class rascal. That's all. That is. It is a fact. So unless one is very intelligent, they cannot take to Krishna consciousness. They want to be bluffed, cheated, in this way, that way, that's all. Plain thing, simple thing, and result is very great, they will not agree to accept. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,